everyone, I'm Priyanka and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all the recipe for MULA ko achar or the radish pickle. So this is a lifesaver, okay, and we usually have it with our lunch, and also when I was in hostel I had a lot of it. So without further delay, let's start with the video. Let's start with the first step. Here we have taken 3 kgs of radish and we have cut it into even pieces, and this is how it will look like. And after it's been done, we need to add some haldi or turmeric powder and then some salt to taste. The main reason for adding salt is because it will ooze out all the excess water from the radish, and after it's been done we need to mix it all well. Now step 2 is we need to dry it out in the sun for 2 days continuously so that it gets dried out properly. The third step is making the masala for the pickle. So here I am using some sesame seeds and roasting it on a very light flame, and then we need to grind it on a pestle or mortar, or you can also use a mixer for this, and then spraying evenly all over the radish. The next step here is we are going to use mustard seed or tori. So the steps are the same. We need to roast it on a very light flame and then grind it and then spread it all evenly over the radish, and this is how it will look like. Now 2 more masalas to go. The first is the chili powder. We need to add some chili powders here and some salt to taste again. Also I'm heating some edible oil here, that is the mustard oil, so that it gives a nice taste to it, and pour it all over our radish and then mix it well until it looks something like this. Now step 4, or the last step for this pickle, is to dry it out in the sun for a minimum of 4 to 5 days and let the sun do its work. I just love to see the process, how the masalas are all being absorbed by this pickle, and it is one of my favorite pickle. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you like the recipe, and there's a lot of ways that people prepare this, but this is how we make it at our home. So thank you for watching this video, and if you try out this recipe, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.